Joby Aviation recently made significant strides in its autonomous flight technology with the showcase of its SuperPilot autonomous flight system during the Reforpack exercise, a department-level exercise led by Pacific Air Forces. This demonstration marked a crucial step in Joby's strategy to expand its dual-use technologies, which can serve both civilian and military markets. The exercise took place over the Pacific Ocean in Hawaii, where Joby's SuperPilot technology successfully logged over 7,000 miles of autonomous operations across more than 40 flight hours. The autonomous flights were managed remotely from ground control stations located thousands of miles away, primarily from Andersen Air Force Base in Guam. Although a safety pilot was on board to monitor the system's performance, the successful demonstration highlights the potential of Joby's SuperPilot technology to provide autonomous solutions for the U.S. government's urgent need for light intratheater airlift. This development aligns with the Department of Defense's increasing interest in autonomous and hybrid aircraft, as evidenced by its FY26 budget request of $9.4 billion to advance these technologies. The successful Reforpack exercise validated the potential of Joby's SuperPilot technology to support low-volume, high-urgency, and high-risk deliveries in large operational theaters, freeing up larger, more costly aircraft for other missions. With SuperPilot integrated into a Cessna Caravan 208 platform, Joby demonstrated its capability to execute rapid cargo deliveries, hub-and-spoke logistics, inter-island transport, dynamic retasking, and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance profiles. Over the last quarter, Joby stock soared from other announcements, including the successful piloted air taxi flight, a joint venture in Japan, and plans for hybrid defense applications. The recent demonstration of SuperPilot's capabilities combined with Joby's near-decade-long collaboration with the Department of Defense and its experience in developing dual-use technologies position it well to compete for upcoming Department of Defense programs and inform the integration of autonomous capabilities into its commercial air taxi platform. In the cyber domain, SEALSQ has made even more progress in its mission to deliver trusted hardware security modules designed for the quantum future, where there's a growing need for quantum-resistant cryptography driven by strict timelines set by the U.S. government. The National Security Agency's CNSA 2.0 policy requires all new national security systems acquisitions to be compliant with quantum-resistant cryptography by January 1, 2027, while the Office of Management and Budget Memorandum M. 23-02 mandates federal agencies to identify quantum-vulnerable systems and prepare migration budgets. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, has also played a crucial role in establishing the algorithms that will form the backbone of next-generation secure infrastructures, finalizing the first post-quantum cryptography, PQC, standards in August 2024. These standards include FIPS 203, MLKM, for key establishment and FIPS 204/205, MLDSA, SLHDSA, for digital signatures. SEALSQ is on track to deliver the first PQC-capable TPM samples featuring native hardware support for MLDSA 87 and MLKM 1024 and to bring certified production parts to market, making it one of the earliest vendors to enable quantum-resistant trusted platform modules, TPMs, aligned with the latest Trusted Computing Group, TCG. Standard for TPM 2.0 V185. What sets SEALSQ apart from its competitors is its QVault TPM, which will offer full PQC capability across all TPM functions, integrated directly into the chip's design. This means that quantum-resistant cryptographic functions, such as key generation, signing, and encryption, will be performed directly by the TPM's dedicated hardware, providing faster, more secure, and more efficient cryptographic operations compared to software-based implementation. Trusted platform modules are already central to modern security architectures, supporting secure boot processes, hardware-based cryptographic key storage, and device authentication. They are widely used in various industries, including cloud and IoT ecosystems, industrial control systems, healthcare, finance, and e-government identity programs. SEALSQ's innovation ensures that customers can begin migration to quantum-resistant cryptography with confidence, protecting sensitive infrastructures and digital identities against tomorrow's quantum-enabled threats. According to Carlos Moreira, CEO of SEALSQ, the company's customers, governments, enterprises, and critical infrastructure operators require trusted hardware that not only meets today's standards but is certified to withstand tomorrow's threats. With QVault TPM, SEALSQ is poised to lead the way in providing quantum-resistant solutions, and its progress is timely, given the countdown to 2027 has already started. Meanwhile, Globalstar broke ground on a significant expansion of its teleport facilities in Nemea, Greece. This development is part of the company's broader effort to support its third-generation C3 satellite system, which promises to deliver advanced mobile satellite services to hundreds of millions of people worldwide. The new infrastructure build-out in Greece involves the construction of 3 additional tracking antennas and associated infrastructure at the existing ground station operated by OTSA, a commercial teleport provider. This expansion in Greece is just one component of Globalstar's substantial global infrastructure build-out, which is expected to include approximately 90 additional tracking antennas across around 35 gateways worldwide. The investment in new infrastructure is designed to enhance the functionality and capacity of Globalstar's network, enabling the company to support a new generation of services that will meet the growing demand for mobile satellite connectivity. The partnership between Globalstar and OTE, which was initially established in 2020, has been instrumental in supporting Globalstar's expanding ground station needs. Lycoergo's Antonopoulos, Chief Commercial Officer Business Segment at OTE Group, expressed pride in being Globalstar's partner of choice for this significant project, citing Greece's role in global satellite connectivity and OTE's state-of-the-art facilities, robust fiber connectivity, and highly skilled technical personnel. Globalstar's General Counsel and Vice President of Regulatory Affairs, L. Barbie Ponder, also acknowledged the valuable assistance provided by U.S. commercial services officers at U.S. embassies in the region, which helped facilitate the partnership with OTE in 2020. The expansion of Globalstar's ground infrastructure is a critical step in supporting its C3 system, which is designed to deliver advanced mobile satellite services with enhanced functionality and capacity. Now over to PureCycle Technologies, which successfully complete a third-party audit and obtain the Association of Plastic Recyclers, APR, post-consumer resin, PCR, certification for its primary grade of Pure 5 resin, HPP 15-100. This certification verifies that the resin is manufactured from post-consumer sources, providing transparency and reliability to buyers and sellers in the market. The HPP 15-100 grade of Pure 5 resin is the primary material produced at PureCycle's Ireland facility and serves as the base recycled content used in all blends of the company's compounded resin grades. These grades have garnered significant interest from customers seeking a one-pellet solution that can be used in applications where introducing recycled content has historically been challenging. PureCycle's CEO, Dustin Olson, expressed pride in achieving this certification, stating that it validates the source of the company's recycled content and is a critical step in building a circular economy and reducing plastic waste. Olson also noted that the company has seen increasing demand from customers for third-party certifications, and this achievement is expected to assist in the ongoing commercialization of Pure 5 resin. The APR PCR certification provides third-party validation that a company has met the necessary requirements to ensure its resin comes from post-consumer sources. This certification supports a reliable and robust post-consumer resin market, which is essential for the success of recycling and reducing plastic waste. Steve Alexander, APR President and CEO, commended PureCycle for taking action to certify their resin, stating that their ability to transform post-consumer waste into high-quality, recycled content will strengthen the PCR market. The achievement of this certification could bolster PureCycle's chances of becoming a preferred supplier to customers that require certified recycled content. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.